These are phrases to describe relationship in Nigerian Pidgin English. I dey single. I get boyfriend. I get girlfriend. We dey engage. We go marry for March next year. I don marry. I never marry. I don marry for 7 years. I don divorce. I be widow. She be widow. He be widower. I no dey for any serious relationship. I no dey any serious relationship. I never forget my ex. I no wan chop breakfast. I no wan chop breakfast. I just wan dey single and dey gbadun my life. I just wan dey single and gbadun my life. Wetin concern me and marriage? This is talking about relationship in Nigerian Pidgin English. See you in my next lesson. Bye for now.